You want that neutral race rematch?
Carrera neutral. Una carrera neutral.
Hey, on 3, just release. No pushing.
Huh?
On 3, just release, no pushing. Alright.
Carreras de neutral.
1, 2, 3. I'm lighter. Much lighter. Much lighter. Oh god damn. He gonna try to get me this time. Ah! He got me. He knew for the last time. Being crazy. He got me. He got me. You dipped that. Oh yeah, reckless.
But chill, nigga, you late. Try and use me as the bait. You skip steps. I nearly nailed it in the first take. I gotta do this for the sake of my mama in that dream house sitting up right beside the lake. I can't never.
Yo, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Sonic Moto. I'm not even gonna lie, being on this CVR is fun. Bro, listen. I haven't even shown y'all the new look. Hold up, bro. Let me show y'all real quick, man. Hold up, man. Let me show y'all. So look, I shaved this down real quick so it's not so pointy, so I won't get jacked up in case of a fall. You know, look how he look. Look how he look. Much cleaner. I still gotta wet sand the tank off. I still gotta wet sand the tank, and I have to buffer it out with some compound so I can get the shine. But yeah, it looks way better, bro. I'm gonna go with the blue and yellow thing, but it's definitely looking much cleaner. Sexy now. Yeah. I got my man to come out on his lunch break. I'm on my lunch break too. Supposed to be clocked in. We about to get a little snack real quick. I'm waiting on my guy right here.
I'm ready. You guys have to slow it. Slow it?
Alright. I'm about to be gone.
Hey, you need a neutral race again.
Bye bye. Bye bye. 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 I'm playing. What if I just went home? I just took off and left. Max, your hat fell. The car's trying to let us know, but little does he know we're all connected on the mics. Bro, tell me why he had to put the mask on to pick this stuff up. Bro, he's gotta be hot in that mug, bro. He said no lie. My boy is cooked. Who you talking about, the dude? Oh, you talking about the dude beating his chest? Yeah, he doing something reckless. I feel like I'm gonna get sick over here. Oh! Don't you hate when you have like a hole right there? Like it feels so annoying, bro. Oh, are you in gear? Make sure you in gear. First gear. Put it in gear. There we go.
DJ, there is something.
What? She doesn't like to wear them?
Yeah, I don't know. It's just.
You there? Oh, okay. Where's your mic? Where's your mic? Move it closer to your mouth a little bit, if you can. Damn, they said I'm not getting rid of my vehicle, period. Evan, this is for you. When are you bringing out the DRZ, Evan? Bro, your things go higher than the mirrors. This one, I don't think you can do it. I gotta do my mirror like this for that one. No, you can't go through that one. Wow, I can't even go yet. I had to wait. Straight up. What the hell is this? I need the camera straight on this. What is this? Where is the person? Oh, it's a Postmates? I'm dead. I'm dead, bro. Wait, what is this thing? It's named Lola? Bro, they really started these things. I've never seen that before. Bro, you can grab that. I'm dead, bro. I'm so dead. It's backing up. It's got a camera. He wait. No wheelies possible. I'm dead, bro. It said Postmates. Like, they're risky for even doing that. But if you try to, with all these like homeless people, bro, like if I was homeless, I'm jacking that. I don't care. I want to see what you got up this hill. I want to see what you got up this hill. Oh no, I'm getting bad wobbles. Oh no, I gotta slow it down. My wobbles are too crazy. I really hope my drink didn't just come open. Ah, it did. I gotta pull over. Bro, my drink just spilled open. I feel it.
Okay.